Hi and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to this new video, which is going to be a second part of learning expressions, and as usual we have 5 expressions to learn. And let's get started with the first expression, which is things are looking up. Things are looking up, and it means that things are becoming good and hopeful. Let's see an example. A son tells his mom, I just received an answer from the company to which I sent a job application yesterday. Things are really looking up. Move on to the second expression, which is let's call a spade a spade. Let's call a spade a spade. And it means to speak truthfully and directly, even this truth contains bad news. Example. A student is speaking to his teacher. Sir, why don't you call a spade a spade? Do you think I'll fail this course? Yes, sorry, you're going to fail this course. Next, we have I am at the end of my rope. I am at the end of my rope. And that means that you have reached the limit of your patience or maybe your energy. Example. I've tried to fix this machine, but it still won't. I am at the end of my rope. I've tried to fix this machine, but it still won't. I am at the end of my rope. The fourth one is my gut says, my gut says. Or we can say my instincts tell me, my instincts tell me. Example. My gut says he's trying to deceive us. My gut says he's trying to deceive us. And the last one is in exchange for what? In exchange for what? And here is an example as a dialogue between two friends, Ilham and Hind. Ilham says, I like your yellow sweater. Can you give it to me in exchange for my blue one? Hind, sorry, but I don't like the color of yours. Ilham, how about in exchange for my black jacket? Hind, no, it's okay. And finally, that was today's video. I hope you benefited from it. Thanks for watching.